Simple past. You know we have regular and irregular verbs. And when we use regular verbs in the past, we add ed. But the question is, how do we pronounce these two letters, the E and D? Do we pronounce them as D all the time or T all the time? No. So there are two main cases. The first one, if the verb ends with D or T sound, the ED will sound ed. Example, wanted, ended, suggested, started, intended. Okay? What about the T sound? If the word or the verb ends with a P, F, S, Sh, Sh, or K sound, the ED will sound like T. Example, helped, laughed, promised, watched, walked, asked. I hear a lot of people saying asked, not asked, it's asked. Thank you.